Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to analyze the song Rwendo Rwembiri by Leonard Zhakata. Many of you out there have requested that I analyze this song. Here it is. Leonard Zhakata is one of the most talented musicians from Zimbabwe. He is so good with his poetic, the way he writes his songs. They are so poetic and they are rich in language. One of his very much poetic songs is Rwendo Rwembiri, which we are looking at today. So basically this song, you can call it a motivational song because he's trying to encourage people not to give up. He's trying to encourage people when you start a journey or you start a project or whatever that you're planning to do in your life, you need to keep on looking forward and never give up. So he starts by saying Zvawarutanga Rwendo Rwembiri. So before you start this journey that you're about to take, this plan that you are trying to do, whether you're trying to go to school, you're trying to start a business, you're trying to build a house, whether it's a relationship you want to embark on, before you start this journey, look forward and put all your efforts in achieving this. Then he goes on to say, Hakuna nzira isina gata. Nzira is the road that you are going to travel. So if you're traveling on this road is not going to be easy. So gata, it means a rise, high rise, like you are climbing. So you are moving on a long road and there are rises where you have to rise and you're tired, but there's no road that doesn't have these rises. As you start your journey, remember that you are going to face challenges, but this is not a reason for you to give up. Just know that these challenges will be there, but you are up to the task to overcome them. He also goes to say, Turama femo wakaringa mberi. So as you go on this journey, you will be taking some rest. You can't just go without resting, but as you rest, keep focused on where you're going. Do not look back from where you're coming from, but look forward where you're going. Then he also says, Kwete kugaro nyunyuta. In this verse, he is trying to encourage people not to complain. In the previous verse, we had talked about this road that you're moving on, and this road has got its own challenges, but do not complain. Take these challenges by the horn and move forward, because by complaining, you're discouraging yourself. You need to encourage yourself so that you keep going until you reach your goals. Then he also, there's this verse that I like so much where he says, Kosimbarenjere ringapinda papi. So if you are complaining of these challenges, what about the brain that God gave you? So God gave you that brain so you can tackle these challenges. So if you don't have any challenges in your life, then what's the purpose of the brain? If there are no challenges in life. Then the other verse is, he talked about donjo remoyo wakapfimbika. If you try to share your plans with people, they might discourage you. So he's saying here, donjo remoyo wakapfimbika, which means all your plans, store them in your heart. Or if you want to share them, it must be someone who you really trust. Then he says, Zanorai vawoshonongora. So once you have reached your goals, then the people will actually see the results. Then he also says, Mukukunda mune zvipingaidzo. So mukukunda is to succeed. Whether you are in the Olympics or it's soccer, when you win those championships, there are so many challenges leading up to that. So mukukunda mune zvipingaidzo, it just means that when you see someone succeeding, there are so many scars behind. When you see Usain Bolt winning those 100-meter races at the Olympic, there's so many hours of training, early morning, all these exercises that he has to do daily, all the food that he has to eat. Sometimes it's not good food to the mouth, but he has to do it so that he can achieve that glory that you are going to see when he's running at the Olympics. So here, Leonard Zhakata is saying, Mukukunda mune zvipingaidzo. So when you see someone achieving their goals, remember the scars behind. This is one of those motivational songs by Leonard Zhakata, and it's so encouraging. One thing that I want to leave with you guys is there are so many lessons in this song. Just keep on going. Do not give up. Keep on working hard. Challenges will come. That's why you have a brain. Use that brain to attack these challenges and wait for the next challenge until you reach your goal. So guys, that's all I had for you today, and let me know which are the songs, Zimbabwean songs, you want me to analyze, which you want me to explain what they mean, and we'll do that. Can you please also like, share, subscribe to this channel and share this with your friends. See you in the next video.